Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn more about formulas. So in Excel there is a one tab called formula is given in the menu bar. So you can see here is the formula bar. So in which you can see various types of formula available, which is auto sum, recently used, financial, logical, text, datetime, look and reference, math entering and more functions. So let's see some of these formulas to evaluate our table data. In AutoSum, you can see various formula like sum, average, count numbers, mean and max. We have already seen sum and average. Count number is used to calculate number of rows in our table. Max and mean is used to find the maximum value and minimum value among the list of numbers. For example, I want to find minimum value, so I am writing minimum. Using the min formula I can find the minimum value. Select the list of number and enter so you can see minimum value is found, which is 17,000 rupees. So this way you can use min, max, sum and average formulas. Now in a recently used command you can see various formulas which are used recently. In financial command you can see various functions related to financial operation. So we are not going to use this financial formula because when you are performing high level financial operation, then you can use this financial formula. For that you must have to know about various financial operation and accounting. Now let's see logical. In logical formula, when you want to add certain condition or logical operation, then you can use these logical formulas, which is and, false, if error, not or true. Another command is the text formulas. Text formula used to text related operation. For example, if I want to convert particular text to uppercase, then I can use this formula. So for example, I want to convert my text to uppercase, then I have to select upper and you have to select the cell in which your data is to be converted, so I am selecting my minimum cell, so cell address will be there B24 and press OK. So I can see from init cap to uppercase is converted. So now you can see my capital character data, which is minimum. Likewise there are various functions like trim, find, exit, length, left, mid. So these formula are used to perform various text related operations. Now date and time. If you want to insert date, time, hour and date and time related data, then you can use date and time functions. For example, if I want to insert here date, then I can use date formula and I have to enter the year, month and day and press OK. So date is insert, which is 5/5/2007. So this is the use of various formulas. You can use math and trig, lookup and reference and more function, which is statistical, engineering, cube related and information related. So these are the various formula provided by Excel 2007. Thank you.